This is a quick all you need to know review of these fridge organizer bins. As you can see, these can be used for many different things in your home. I have them all over my home, both in the fridge, in my cupboards, in my bathroom, and here I have it for my nail stations. I love how durable this acrylic material is and how elegant and minimalistic they look. If you're an organizing nerd like me and need everything to have its particular place in your household, these are a great storage option. What I really like about them are these lids. I like that they are so flat, so they are stackable. This will save you space in your fridge. I also really like that this pack comes in different sizes. They are also easy to clean, but don't put them in the dishwasher. Unfortunately, I did, and I ruined a lid for this one. I'm really happy about the quality, and I think any home can use these. The lids are non-airtight, but they close easily. Overall, a really great purchase, and I recommend them.